So sitting up nice and tall, spine straight, we're going to move into a meditation that balances the nervous system and the pituitary gland. When those two places are balanced, we come into a place of ease. Things just roll off our shoulders. We don't get bothered by stuff. Okay, so when the nervous system and the pituitary gland are not balanced, you become reactive, defensive. So this is really good in high times of stress. It is complex though. So what I want to encourage you to do is allow yourself to practice, and the benefits will come. I guarantee you they'll come. So I'm going to break it down for you. We begin with our hands over our knees, your thumb and pointer finger pressing together firmly. Lift your heart, relax your shoulders. Your eye gaze goes towards the nose. This is what balances your pituitary gland. Then what you'll be doing is opening your hands and taking little sips of air through your nose. So it'll be like this. And you do up to 10 sips of air. So remember, if you can only do 5, that's totally okay. It will become easier and you'll get more sips of air the more you do this. So you allow yourself to come here, you have your eye gaze, you do these little sips of air through the nose, and then the heels of the hands come to the brows and you press here. When you need to exhale, fingertips come together, palms come apart, eye gaze goes back to the nose as you exhale long through the nose until the hands come in front of the navel, and then the hands come out. One thing that might happen is that your mind goes into the place of, I don't want to do this, I can't do this, this is ridiculous, whatever. You go into making your grocery list. So one thing that they have given to us is the chanting. So in the mind, when you're here opening up and you begin to do this jerking action with the sips of air, think Waheguru, 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 Waheguru. Waheguru is wow to the magical lessons, teachers, and life. So allowing yourself to move into that space, opening to all that goodness. So let's go ahead and move ourselves into a 3-minute meditation. I'll guide you for the first couple and then you'll be on your own. So hands come out, eye gaze goes down. Relax your shoulders, lift your heart up. Open your hands up and take those little sips of air. Pressing the heels of the hands. Bring the fingertips together. Eye gaze towards the nose. Exhaling out the nose through the center. Hands back out. Opening them up. Heels of the hands, press. Fingertips together, exhale. Again. Press. Exhale through the center. Continue at your rate. Do one more round. As the hands meet the knees, close your eyes, take a deep breath. Exhale out the nose. Deep breath, inhale. Exhale. Deep breath. And exhale. Just stay still and steady and just notice how you feel. There might be a gentle calming or peace. Just allow yourself to be there to witness and observe. Bring your hands together in front of your heart. Chin slightly into the throat, lift the back, the head up. Here in gratitude for the time that you've taken for yourself. Sat Nam. Thanks.